Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing an application which is actually available directly from the Amazon store, which will allow you to play a large selection of movies for free. Grab your Firestick remote and let's dive in. To start, all we will need to do is move across to the magnifying glass and click on the search bar. Then we will enter in the name of the application, which is fawesome. There it is in the list. So once it appears, you can select it. This is the app we are after. So click again and then click one more time to start the download. And just to test, I'll click on this. And there you have it, it starts playing. So let me stop that. So that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. If that has helped you out, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. And I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.